Hello, let's make an awakening sugar scrub. To do that, you're going to need a 2-ounce glass jar, labels, and the oils that we are going to use are eucalyptus, peppermint, lime, lemon, and orange. So, first you fill up your glass container with granulated sugar. So, pretty easy, super cost effective. So what's happening is you're buying your oils in bulk, right, through your doTERRA membership, and then you're spending like $10 on lemon, and you get to use it for, I don't know how long, a month, 2 months. I put mine in my water, I put it in the bath, I put it in a diffuser, like on a night after we have fish or broccoli, and it's, you know, that lingering scent in the air and you don't want it. That cleans the air. And so I use it a lot. I use it to clean with, you know, those scuff marks like on your tub or any of the white surfaces on some of your floors or anything like that. You can use lemon to get that off. It's amazing. It's a degreaser. You can get sap off with it. You can get stickers off of things. If you're putting up furniture, super great. Anyway, so many uses for all the oils. So don't get me started with that. But anyway, you buy them in bulk, and then you have them to make these gifts for people or to indulge for yourself and treat yourself. So anyway, let's get started. So we're going to do 3 drops of eucalyptus. Okay, 2 drops of wild orange. Sometimes you get, you know, an extra drop. 3 drops of lemon. 1 drop of peppermint. And if you're ever making a recipe and you see a recipe calls for an oil that you don't like, then you can omit that 1 oil. For example, peppermint. Some people are a little hypersensitive to it, or yeah, a little goes a long way with these oils because they are so potent and 100% pure essential oils. They don't have any fillers in them. It's pure oil, so really packs a punch. 1 drop does. So like peppermint kind of makes me really tingly, like if it gets on my skin, and a lot of other people have said it's really potent for them to breathe in. Okay, sorry, lime, 3 drops of lime. Very good. Okay, so those are the oils. Then what you want to do is get coconut oil and fill that up so it kind of makes like a runny consistency of a sugar scrub. Those are the only ingredients that you need. And then you stir it up. I just use the back side of the tablespoon holder. And you stir that up, and then you keep adding more oil so that it's a little runnier. And then I kind of let it sit for a little bit to absorb, and then stir it again, and then cap it, and either you are ready to go or it's ready for a gift. Super easy. Takes less than 3 minutes to get all of the supplies and put it together. So go enjoy. Let me know your thoughts.